Welcome. In this video, we'll go step by step through the process of creating your own bot on Telegram. Whether you're building something simple or preparing to connect it with more advanced tools, the first step is always the same: setting it up correctly through Telegram itself. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open the Telegram app. Once it's open, go to the search bar at the top of your screen and type in BotFather. BotFather is the official bot provided by Telegram to help you create and manage other bots. When you find BotFather in the search results, tap on it to start a chat. This is where everything begins. Once the chat is open, type or tap the command /newbot. This command tells BotFather that you want to create a brand new bot. Next, BotFather will ask you to give your bot a name. This can be anything you like, the name that people will see when they use your bot. After that, you'll be asked to create a unique username for your bot. Unlike the first name, the username has to be one of a kind and always ends with the word bot. For example, something like my demo bot would work. If the name is taken, try a different variation until you find one that's available. Once you've chosen both the display name and the username, BotFather will create your bot and generate a special API token for you. This token is essential. It's like a digital key that allows you to connect your bot to code, services, or other platforms. Copy this token and keep it safe, because you'll need it anytime you want to connect your bot to a project or integrate it with external applications. And that's it. Your Telegram bot now exists and is ready to be customized further. From here, you can link it with automation services, add commands, or even program your own features. If you follow these steps carefully, open Telegram, find BotFather, use the /newbot command, set your bot's name and username, and copy your API token. You'll have your own bot ready to go in just a few minutes.